Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Your Dhan account must be KYC verified and PAN linked. Once done, open the updated Dhan app and sign in with 2FA or biometrics. This secures order placement. Next, make sure you have sufficient margin or funds to meet option segment minimums, since activation may require a specific balance. After that, navigate to the main menu. You will move directly into the account settings to begin the activation flow without any backtracking. You now enable the option segment by opening account settings, then segments, and selecting request options. Read and complete the options questionnaire and risk acknowledgement. This explains margin, Greeks, and assignment risk so you understand why settings matter. Then accept the options agreement. If Dhan requests documents, upload them immediately. Screenshots or PDFs are accepted. After submission, note the reference ID shown. Once submitted, Dhan begins verification, and you'll proceed to the final activation steps. You finish by waiting for Dhan's verification, which commonly takes 24 to 72 hours. Meanwhile, monitor app notifications and your email for approval or any request for extra information. Responding quickly speeds activation. Once approved, enable option trading from the segments page and confirm available strike privileges. If activation is rejected, carefully read the rejection reason, correct the document or questionnaire detail, and resubmit. If confusion persists, contact Dhan support with your...
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.